Get so much comfort with these stylish heels from Chinese Laundry. These offer a faux leather upper with this really broad strap. It's going to help lock in your feet and give you a secure feel. The peep toe slip-on construction make these really nice for the warmer weather and easy for you to get in and out of. These offer such a cushioned footbed that's going to give you a lot of comfort and support, so you can rock these babies all day or night. The chunky heel will boost you up about 3.5 inches, giving you a good lift, and there's a small platform at the midsole, keeping these very stylish. I love that they have a nice solid color, making them great to wear with anything this season, and this color specifically will look great for a bride-to-be. These sit on top of a grippy synthetic outsole to help with traction and to give you a stable feel under your feet.